So I have built and sold multiple software products and applications over the past couple of years, and I did not write a single line of code or pay any software engineer to actually have these live and active softwares with my business name, logo, colors, branding, and URL on them. And in doing so, I'm able to charge hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in near passive, nearly automated, monthly recurring subscription-based income, which is the absolute key to wealth for anybody who wants to become an entrepreneur and scale a profitable online business in 2025. What I did is something called no-code software, also known as white label software. My name is Kevin, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how this white label software business model works, and more importantly, how you can actually start your very own live and active software ready to go out, ready to sell, and generate yourself life-changing subscription-based income so that you can finally separate your fucking time from making money. And if you do decide to start this business model, then make sure you hit the links in the description. I have hour-long tutorials, walkthroughs, and communities where we all are just guys who are trying to execute this specific business model. There's people truly changing their lives in there every single day. So this is a great field, a great place to be in if you are in that spot in life where you want to become an entrepreneur and you are looking for that route to actually join something that can change your life forever. With that being said, let's just go ahead and dive right into it. But first off, what exactly is software? I'm sure you've heard of that word. What exactly does that mean? Well, software is just any application that's created through code. So every single app on your phone, every single website that you click on, some of your favorite software platforms like Shopify, the biggest e-commerce software in the world, and Zoom, biggest web hosting platform in the world. All of the owners of these companies, all they did was they had an idea and they paid a software engineer to bring it to life. And once it was actually created and coded one time, when it comes to software, you can basically sell it an infinite number of times and it doesn't cost you any money because the software is what they're paying for. So the profit margins are typically within the 90+ percentile range. But now, of course, the only issue for people like me and you is that you would either have to know how to code yourself or pay software engineers to actually start your own software business. But over the past couple of years, new innovative technologies has bridged that gap. So now you can either actually let AI code it for you, or option 4, what I'm going to show you in this video, is how to actually white label software. This is going to allow you to start selling software online without spending any time or money creating any software yourself. So if you go and create an account with this company called HighLevel, they actually have a marketplace full of pre-built software and AI software products, features, tools, and solutions that are already 100% created and coded for you. And basically, tons of these features are extremely valuable. They're going to help business owners all across the US do things such as digital marketing and sales on all of their social media pages, Facebook, Google, TikTok, LinkedIn, etc. It can help them build websites and paid advertisement campaigns using AI, get found more often in Google Maps, create content using AI, even start your very own AI automation agency as well. But the crazy part is the fact that HighLevel software is white label. That just means that it's unbranded. So you can actually upload your very own business name, logo, change the URL name, and pick out the features that you want to resell and take the tabs off for the ones you don't. The best part about this is that you can start building monthly recurring subscription-based income, and these businesses pay softwares for years. So this can actually give you a shot at separating your time from making money. And if you do feel like you want to learn more about how to do this for yourself, just comment the word software and I'll shoot you over this 100% free guide showing you step-by-step tutorials on how to get started.